Okay, we're here. Let's go. For your doctor's appointment.
Are you excited now? No.
Excuse me? Yes. Can you please come over here? Sure. Hello. What is her last name? Oh, wait, no. Her last name is Brooks. Taffy Brooks? Yeah.
Taffy Brooks? Oh, like Matthew Brooks?
Oh, yes, you're on the list. Please take a seat over there.
Oh, what the heck is wrong with you, Taffy?
Okay, honey. You better get ready. Today you're getting your flu shot. You said we're only going to have a checkup. Yeah, but I lied. Meaning. Mrs. Taffy Brooks? Yes? Your doctor's ready to see you now. I will help you upstairs. We're upstairs. Come on, honey. Where do we go upstairs? You go on the elevator. Let me open it for you. Please, come with me. Okay.